Hi everyone, welcome to the Grow More channel. Today I'm just explaining about the silver POC view. So I've been explaining about the point of control. It's called POC in my previous several webinars. So today I'll just show you how silver is working under POC and what is the backtest result and what are the rules. Let us see. Now, if you see for silver, last 3 days or almost like you can see here, 4 5 days continuously we've been going up for the several weeks, and now even for the day, if you see last 3 days it is going up. Okay, this is the thing what's happening. So, in case of financial strategy, if you see here for Monday, what happened here? It was a clear full moon day. In case of full moon day, the moon degree should be more than the sun degree. That is called full moon day. And what happened here? Around 6 o'clock, it started the journey on the upside. So let us see what happened in the silver POC here. So I'm take here. You can the data is there almost you can see for from 2011 I have plotted the data here, and those are students who have access to my course bundle. They can see this tool access this silver POC file from this FA course tools and then Google Sheet. You can see number 21. This is what I have added here. I'm trying to add new things for the students one by one so that they can get benefited. But whoever have access to this dashboard, they can get this. Otherwise, they can get the renewal of the dashboard also. Now, once you click this, now you can see here silver POC is coming. Now here, let us see here 3rd January. Okay, 3rd January, we know in advance the what is the view for the next day, next week. Okay, this is a week for the weekly view I'm seeing. For the example, 3rd January 25. For the next week, it will be bullish. So we saw 4,600 points gain in the silver. When I click next week, so next week is 10 January ending week. This is what, and what happened next week ending 17 January. It was again bullish 1560 points. But one more thing you should see is here this point of control. What is there? This is the current POC here, and then you can use this POC as stop loss also. Okay. So for example, for 10 January week, we know what is the POC here. 9741 is the POC, and then here when the price goes below the POC, then you should exit. That is very important. And for next week also we know what is the POC. Now similarly you can see for next week also what's happening. And next week also you can see here it is bullish, bearish, and then we saw 1122 points fall. So two things you have to follow is the POC you respect, and then what is the view. As per the view you should be able to get the view for the next week, and similarly the what stop loss for the the rate should be the POC. And now for example I want to see for the previous week what happened here 19 January. So let us see here 19th September. So 19th September. So last week 19th September we expected the view should be bullish for the current week. Now what happened is almost 6,600 points gain we saw in the current week actually in silver. So definitely it is being overbought actually. So let us be very careful with the long positions. And now this is what happening, and daily POs also you can see here. For example, now when I click today, and we'll get the previous, let us take previous day. So for when I see based on the levels for 23rd September, now for tomorrow it will be like 134.84. This is all futures price. It's not spot, it's a futures price. And 134.84 below this price, and we should see a good movement on the downside here. So definitely you should be bearish only once it goes below 134.84. So this whatever the video I'm doing is for education purpose only, not for any advice. And now this financial schedules, you can give the financial schedules here, so the students can access the rules also. I give detailed rules what is there, everything is available here. The rules are given you for each and every one with examples also, so you can go through that. Particularly if you see here the full moon is a positive thing, and no moon or amavasya will be a negative thing for the silver actually. And here if you see here day wise dashboard also, day wise also I put the POC what is the impact actually. If you see here the day wise view, month wise gain also I mentioned here. So what happened is here for 2011 you can see month wise data I have from December actually. So you can see here on an average, like you can see like roughly in the 2012 almost several to 13 years back, almost you can see here 10,000 points average gain you've been doing. Okay, now the silver is rate has gone up, and now you can see here for the current year already we are seeing like almost 2 lakh points. Okay, 2 lakh rupees or 2 lakh points is the gain in points actually, and one is a one lot is 30 kgs actually, 30 into 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is again possible in silver actually. Okay, but you have to be very very careful and use proper hedging, and you should use the technique what I mentioned in the course, so that you gain properly, slow and steadily. That is very important. So this is what silver, how I wanted to explain about PO, point of control here. And one has to go, you can go through the link here, given the BAV copy, you can download here and update the values here. So once you update the values here, you can here update the values here, and then you can go to the dashboard and access the data, and you can get the view for any week whatever you wanted. So 13 years of data I just updated here. That's one thing. And then I'm just trying to announce the even the course in English actually coming next week, starting on 27th September, which is going to start on first 1 p.m. and will be for 1 hour. And every Saturday, Sunday will be the classes for 14 sessions total, almost like 7 weeks. The class will be there. The price is 7,999, and anyone who want to register can send WhatsApp to this number for registration. And then last batch recording. If somebody cannot attend the live class, if they want only the recordings and the dashboards, they can pay 5,999, and then you can get all the recording. You can see here the recording I mentioned here. So it's available in Hindi, English and Tamil, all three you can get actually. Okay, so currently Hindi batch is going on, 6 sessions completed, so balance will be there. So last batch whatever session is there, you can just go through that also, there's possibility is there. And then you can get the dashboards also, all the dashboards what I given here, 50 plus 1 dashboards here, all the dashboards you're going to get here as part of the course content. Okay, these are the contents I'm giving on the as part of the course. Okay, so just I want to tell about the silver POC. Hope you like this. And you see the Nifty, Bank Nifty is one thing is there. In addition to that, commodities, silver is a very good thing. The movement is very good, but you should be very carefully trading. Otherwise, the any freak trades you can get taken out actually. And if you see here for 3 minutes, let's just see here 3 minutes chart here, can see here how much of spikes coming here. Okay, you can see here 134 658, 134 658, almost like a 700 points movement comes in no time actually. Okay, so you have enough capital and enough cushion to absorb these shocks, so that you'll be able to manage the move. So this has certain setups are there actually you should follow. So for trading silver, that's very important. So whenever you see the sun moon aspect, because moon is the one controlling for the silver, and whenever the moon is in positive zone, then definitely look for bullish moves actually. Okay, so I'm expecting some down moves to come actually in this week below 134 850. Okay, so that's what my expectation is. So let us see what's happening. Hope you like this video, and if case you want to register for the course which is starting this Saturday, you can contact me in the WhatsApp actually. So I just given the details of the course actually, and also the contact number. You can keep in touch with me. Okay.